Minister office is that the sender is the citizen, because this is the world that we are moving around, where citizens take the center stage, and the governance system, the governance model of the Chief Minister Maryam Nawaz Sharif is based on the citizen-centric approach. The entire reform that has taken place over the last 2.5 years, be it health, be it education, be it in the IT sector, youth empowerment, women empowerment, the law and order, and also the road network, the infrastructure. We're coming up with world's first and Punjab, Pakistan's first medical district, that also coupled with Nawaz Sharif IT City, which of course this AI office will also be looking at in terms of delivering the results at the citizen level. So Ali, once again, I congratulate you, because I think this is not just a small thing. It is to set a stage for Pakistan, for South Asia, and for the world, that if governments believe in monitoring, transparency, and efficiency, this is the way ahead. And I think we are starting an initiative which will set the precedent for the future of Punjab in terms of AI ecosystem, the IT technology ecosystem, and also, as we all know, the province of around 130 million people and 60% below the age of 35. This is the right time that we invest into AI-generated ecosystem, IT networks, and people like yourself. As Ali said, that governments cannot do this alone. You have to partner with government. You have to work with governments as partners, and this is also the right time where Punjab is heading towards public-private partnership in a big way. And as Samir was saying, that the lines and the channels are open to interact and interface with the government at this point in time, if you want to be part of this AI transformation or be part of the entire digital transformation of the Chief Minister Maryam Nawaz. एक बात मैं ज़रूर कहना चाहूँगी कि टीवी पे भी काफ़ी लोग इसको सुन रहे होंगे कि जो इस वक्त पाकिस्तान की यूथ है, with all these interventions that the Chief Minister is taking in terms of the digital transformation that we are seeing tonight, and the IT interventions that we have planned over the last 2 years, and also going ahead for 3 years, partners like yourself need to work with the Office of the Chief Minister, and the Office of AI is the right window of opportunity for each one of you to come and work with government, as we say, work for Punjab government with Chief Minister Maryam Nawaz, with your influence, circle of influence, with your partnership. I think we can loop in the youth that we can invest in terms of IT ecosystems. So once again, thank you very much. We will be looking forward to working with each one of you, and we will also plan an interface with Ali's office and also the office of the Chief Minister. Once we launch, I think we're planning a launch also with the Chief Minister of this AI office. So after today's meet, your input, your feedback, and your interface with the Office of the AI for next 2-3 weeks will actually help us in designing the entire, because the ecosystem that you hold of the IT across Pakistan holds value, and we value it, and your input will also be valuable for designing our initiative and all our data sets and the entire ecosystem that will be linking every development project, every development department, every interface will be linked with this AI office, so that the government, because the Chief Minister says that the government and